3, 2, 1, go. Right 4 through dip, keep middle over crest. Left 5, 80. Left 6, 60. Right 4 tightens over crest. Into left 5, 60. Left 4, and turn, hairpin right. Into left 4 long, 100. Right 3, post inside. Into left 4 long over bumps. Into right 5, don't cut, 60. Left 3 long, keep in, 200. Right 4 long, tightens, keep in, don't cut. Into left 6, 60. Left 4 over crest. And right 6. And left 5. And right 6. Into left 3, 130. Right 4 long, tightens, keep in. Into left 6, don't cut, 150. Right 3 long, keep in, 100. Right 6. Into left 4 long, opens, keep in, don't cut, 100. Left 5. Into right 4 long over bumps. Into left 3, don't cut, post outside. Turn, open hairpin left. Right 6. And bump, and left 4. And right 6. Right 3, don't cut, into left 4 long over bumps. Into right 5, 200. Right 3 long, keep in, 200. Right 4 long, tightens, keep in. Into left 6, don't cut. Right 5. Into left 4 crest opens, 60. Right 6. Right 6. Into left 4 long, opens, keep in, 200. Right 3. Into left 6. And right 6. Into left 3. Right 5, keep left open jump maybe. Left 4 through dip, 60. Right 5, 150. Right 3 long, keep in, 250. Right 4 long, keep in, 60. Left 6. And right 4. And bump. And left 6. Past junction. Left 4 long, 100. Left 5, 60. Over finish to stop. Okay, slow down for the marshals. Amazing result. That's unbeatable.